shopping center. We're going to the grocery, buy some food with some Spanish mates, lads. Vamos a comprar un poco de comida al Carrefour niño, y nada, ahora os enseño lo que pillo para crecer. Eggs, strawberries. Let's go for the sweet. Huevos, fresas, canales.
Con la cestita, niño. La cestita, niño.
Sweet potato.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
I like sweet potato when I'm cutting because it has like low carbs and it fills you up a lot. La batata cuando estáis rajando, definiendo, está bastante bien porque os llena. O sea, los mismos hidratos en batata y en arroz te va a llenar más la batata. Y la patata blanca es casi igual, pero la batata tiene mucho más nutrientes. Para sal, tenéis que comer sal, chavales, aunque estéis definiendo. A menos que vais a hacer una competición, me gusta usar la sal esta del Himalaya, la que es como rosada. Pink salt, I prefer over the white one. Is like more sweet, and I think it's like better. It's like from the sea and shit like that. So stocking up on monsters. They only have without sugar like this one. I don't like this one. It's too sweet. This one is okay, but I like more the white one. They don't have it. But yeah. Monster sin azúcar obviamente, porque claro, de 3 gramos de hidratos a 46 como que hay un poco de diferencia. Bueno chavales, queso fresco batido, 0% grasa, está bastante bien. De hidratos, de macros. This is like, I usually get Greek yogurt 0% fat, but in other supermarket this is like cheese, like 0% fat. Same as Greek yogurt, no fat. And yes, egg whites, claro, de huevo, ¿no? That's okay. So to finish with a bit of curls, un poco de curl niño con festa del Carrefour.
Se carre.
Let's go eat and then to the pool to get tan. Yeah, we have to get shredded and tan for Ibiza. 12 days out of Ibiza with Joe Delaney. 12 días para Ibiza, máquinas, así que hay que pegarse estricto a la dieta. Hay que llegar definidos allí. Para casa.
A casa. ¿Unas uñas o qué?
Yo, people. So, post-workout meal cooked. It's very important. Post-workout meal is very important, okay? You need to make sure you eat clean and good and protein and carbs and all that shit. So, gonna use Walden Farms honey barbecue sauce. And I have here sweet potato, 400 grams, 2 eggs, 300 grams of egg whites at the bottom and peas, okay? Así que la comida post entreno, gente, muy importante. Fuente de hidratos limpia, proteínas, batata 400 gramos, 2 huevos, 300 gramos de claras y 100 gramos de guisantes. Fácil para todos los públicos y let's get shredded for Ibiza. Already pretty good, but need to get a little bit more shredded. Forgot, people, a little bit of cinnamon for the sweet potato. Goes very good. Just a little bit. and a little bit of mixed green herbs, un poquito de canela, gente, y un poquito de orégano, and yes, now Walden Farms barbecue. Oh, with honey, this is the shit. No calorie. Yes. Vamos a comernos esto. Yo, people, it's Tuesday, right? It's Tuesday, 12th of July. I've been sick, but I'm finally good. I'm finally all right, and I'm on my way to the airport to pick up someone that you maybe know. Stay tuned. ¿Qué pasa, gente? Así que nada, estoy aquí en el aeropuerto. La cola para las recogidas es un coñazo. Voy a recoger a un coleguita con el que va a estar conmigo en Madrid como 8 días, pero nos vamos a ir a Ibiza este finde. Seguro que lo conocéis, así que ahora le veréis. He estado malo 3 días, hoy es martes, el domingo me puse malo, así que bueno, solo como 2 días, un día entero solo. Bien, mañana vuelta a entrenar. So yeah. Airport pickup queues suck big time. So yeah, about to pick up my mate. I'm pumped because gonna go to Ibiza. Yes, no, people, so we just came from doing cardio, doing some pancakes, but today have to be for 2 lads.
And man,
Yes,
loads of cardio.
Loads of cardio, loads of pancakes.
Hey guys, I've been cutting. Oh no, it's Joe. Oh, shit, it's Joe.
Yes, no, lad.
Yes, sir.
I had to Jamie and fucking Tommy.
Shit, what are you doing?
Tommy pocket Ibiza. I'll put the hands in the pocket for you, Tommy.
Yes, no. Look at that tan difference, man.
Yeah.
I've been on the beds loads, man.
Spanish tan. Joey D just bent my pan,
Bend the
motherfucker.
fucking pan. Too strong.
Bend the pan.
Oh.
Bend the pang.
Mama, yeah, that's I'm sorry.
Yeah. These fucking UK lads, too strong, mate. Get involved, lad.
Yes, no.
Yes, no.
You know what? I'm gonna grab some of the other syrup.
Yes, no. Yes. Some grocery shopping mandarins. Mandarinas. Teaching you some Spanish. Tangerines, no, in English?
Yeah. Well,
Tangerines.
Mandarin,
Mandarin.
clementine.
Yes, lad. The shred died for Ibiza. How offensive you want this music? Joey D, some hands for the tunes. No Tommy B here. So we need to sort something out.
Is it on?
No.
I think my phone's fucked, you know.
Watermelon bites. Yes, now. Watermelon tunes.
Instagrammable fruit. Yes. That's the
Instagram shit. Right. Quick tip. Watermelon when cutting saves your life. Keeps you full and shredded. Melón, sandía, chavales, cuando estáis definiendo os mantiene frescos, llenos y definidos. Yes. Ibiza pre-vibes.
We are doing some bits of tanning, just chilling by Yada's pool and eating some watermelon, because watermelon's like the most Instagrammable fruit. Get a tan. Look at the colour of this guy next to me, like, get next to me.
Yeah.
Now, I thought it was brown, man, and then it turned up. He's going all like Spaniard on me.
Fucking catch up a little bit, mate.
He's been in the oil, man. That's not safe.
Mate,
irresponsible.
Watermelon gets you birds.
Does, man. Watermelon helps with the erectile dysfunction as well, if you have it. I mean, obviously I don't need it, but...
Just in case.
Get a close up of this watermelon. Oh, yes, now. So, this is pretty much us for a couple of hours, man. Just gonna chill, eat some fruit. Might get in the pool, man. Saying? Might get in the pool.
Same, man.
Might do it, man. Couple of tigers over there.
Hard life.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna go hit up some legs later on. And
don't forget to drink the juice.
Yeah, man. You love the juice.
I love the juice.
Okay, let's do it.
It's actually really good, man.
Oh, man. Let me get some.
You get some good selfies there, eh?
Yeah, man.
You get some naughty selfies.
Yes, sir.
You can film it and then you snapshot it.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. It's happening. This is sick. Okay.
Os voy a hablar un poquito en español, que estamos aquí en inglés todo el rato, como ha venido mi colega de Inglaterra, UK.
Yo, peeps.
Yo,
Hola.
peeps. Hola.
Hola.
Básicamente, resumiendo toda la mierda dicha, que el melón, digo el melón, la sandía, joder con el melón. La sandía, al final con la sandía, ¿cómo lo puedo decir para que no... Que con la sandía pilláis cacho, vamos. Os ayuda a manteneros definidos, por lo tanto, Ibiza y pum. Así que nada, stay tuned, que no sé cómo coño lo decir en español para que suene bien. Quedaros en antena, niños, para ver unos buenos vídeos en Ibiza. Boom. First time trying the cold brew.
Thanks to Joey D for the cold brew shout referral.
Yeah.
It's good shit, man.
Just into the cold brew scene, lad.
Yeah, the cold brew scene, man. That cold brew hype.
Tasty. Just need some Spanish birds now. Cruising through Madrid. Arm looking massive. Rich piano size, lad. Fuck me.
Bigger by the day, man.
Bigger by the day. I think we're gonna do a smaller by the day series, Ibiza.
Yeah.
Smaller each day, but hopefully with all the type of vibe gains and pee gains.
More STIs by the day.
And tit gains and
more chlamydia by the day.
Moist gains.
Just got Yados on that cold brew hype.
Yes.
Yeah, try the cold brew. Got the cold brew. I think
Step
it's
on
better
that
than
shit.
Wow, it's so dark, man. I think it's better than the